Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to configure the inbound rules on the Grandstream IP-PBX. As a first step, we are going to look at the specifications for how they are configured. This applies to both input and output rules. We have the X, which is usually used in output rules, and these are the digits from 0 to 9. The Z starts from 1 to 9. The N starts from 2 to 9. And we have the wildcards. The dot is used to dialing n number of digits, and there is no limit. And we have this other wildcard, which is for accepting any number that comes through the trunk, from 0 to 9, and is commonly used in the inbound route. For the configuration, we will go to Trunk Extension, Inbound Routes, and we will use the example of an analog line. Here we are just going to click on the Add button, give the trunk a name, and here we don't need to add any pattern or anything. If you notice, it is already hidden, so we can't add anything. We just add the name and go to the destination. At the destination we can put an extension, an IVR, a ring group, a queue, etc. We are going to leave an extension as default. We save, and in the case of a SIP trunk, if we register one, we will take this one as an example. Here we would give it a name, and here in the pattern we can put the one we have already seen, which is a downward exclamation mark. This will indicate that any number coming through the trunk will be received on this inbound route. Or we can also enter the full DID number, 10 digits for example. Or we can enter the last 4 digits of the DID, depending on how the carrier is sending it to us. If we want to receive or know if the trunk is working, we just enter this symbol, which is a downward exclamation mark, and any call will be routed if the trunk is working. Finally, we go to the call destination. We define the same extension, click Save, and apply changes. And with that, we can test the trunk by dialing the header number, and that call should reach the destination we have entered here. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.